We're remanufacturing a 140 Johnson for a customer, and we always rebuild the starters. We changed the brushes. These are the brushes. Put in new fields. And I knew I was probably in trouble because this starter housing has hammer marks right here, which means somebody hit it with a hammer, and that is an old way to get a starter to kick up because it uses inertia to kick up this bendix. So the old timers used to say, hit them with a hammer. Well, that was before they started putting ceramic magnets inside the starters, which break really easy. So when you hit them with a hammer, you actually destroy them, and it's non-repairable. You have to basically buy a new starter. So the reason this procedure worked before and doesn't now is this is a starter from the 1960s. Instead of a ceramic magnet, they make a magnet by creating a field. That's a big winding of wire. Costs a lot more to make. You know, engineers and manufacturers tell you that we went to this way, those magnets are stronger, it's better. Well, it comes right down to it. It's a lot cheaper to make that. You can imagine windings, a screw for each one. So you can hit this one all day long. These won't break. But this one, and Devin, our camera girl, is gonna have to close her eyes because this is gonna blast out of here probably, hopefully. Watch that. So it just breaks. It had already started to break, but you can see more even broke. So don't tap the side of the starter with a hammer. Now sometimes these brushes get stuck and won't go. And just lightly tapping on the bottom, it's not so bad. But do not hit the side of the starter with a hammer. And I've been saying that for 30 years, and people are gonna probably keep doing it. You know, you're out in your boat, you wanna go. So you're gonna listen to anybody. Do not hit the side of a newer starter with a hammer. All right?